guys, I'm just here to advertise our Christmas program for the youth. It is December 29th. If you've never come to one of our programs, it's really a treat, and it's just fun to see everybody speaking about the Word of God, the love of Jesus, and it's really something that you should experience. So tell all your friends and all your family.
Hello, my name is Ps.Victor. I am currently a resident at Malawi Church. I'm in the band. Those are my band partners right there, but you can't see them, but I just pointed at them. But just wanted to welcome you to our program on December 29th. We're having a Christmas program. If you haven't been to any of our Christmas programs, I guarantee you're going to be blessed if you come out. So we really want you guys to come out and hear this good word.
Hello everyone, please come December 29th to come see Now's Michiana Youth Christmas program. We'll have fun playing music, saying speeches, and learning about the Word of God.
Oh come ye to Bethlehem.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you are. My name is Jonathan Chitaya, and I'm part of an awesome youth group here at Niles Michiana Malawi Church. And I'm here to invite you to our special Christmas program on the December 29th. You can find us at 1819 Oak Street, Niles, Michigan, 49120. Hope to see you there. You don't want to miss it.